welcome back. So in the previous video we have talked about security groups, what they are and what are the different features of them. So if we click a security group, you can see we have added one owner for this as well as one member for this. Similarly we'll be doing for the Microsoft 365. So I'll be keeping this in the description so that you can watch them. So even we have talked about assigning the licenses. How can we assign the license to this particular group so that everyone in this group can have access to that. So coming to today's video, we'll be using Microsoft 365 group. So this will be a short video. So in this video I'll just be showing you how to create it. So coming to the group type, instead of security we'll be going ahead with Microsoft 365. So click that. And coming to the name, I'll be selecting from the Microsoft Docs. So let me add this, and you have populated the same name here, which is group email ID. So it's done. You can add any description that you want though, but in this case I'm just leaving it default. However, to get more information you can just add the description name as well. And here you have different types, assigned as well as dynamic user. So we'll be going ahead with assigned so that we can add the users manually. However, if you select the dynamic user, you can see there is a query. So this will be talking in the next video, how to add the dynamic user so that by default they'll be adding into this group. So coming to this video, it's restricted to assigned. So we'll be using assigned and we'll be adding the members accordingly. So if I click the owner here, let me add, so we have different users, so you can add the user that you want to be so that he can manage all the tasks that are needed. So in this case I'll be using Ram as, let me add my ID, and coming to the members I'll be adding select. So here we have selected two users, one is owner and the other one is member. So the owner can manage all the access related to this group, and whereas members can access those services. So saying that, the next one is you have to just create it. So once it's created, you can just refresh it, you'll be getting that particular group that we have created. So you can just click the group and you can see the users related to that as well as owners and other relevant descriptions related to this particular group. So that's it for now for this video. In the next video we'll be talking about the dynamic user, how can we create them, and by default how can the users be added into these groups. So I hope you guys have understood the concept of today's video, and I'll be keeping the relevant videos in the description so that you can watch. And if you like the video, please click the like button below, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thank you everyone.